Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to start fourth chapter more on tux paint. What is tux paint? Tux paint is meant to be a simple drawing program for young children. It is not meant as a general purpose drawing tool. It is meant to be fun and easy to use. Sound effects and a cartoon character help let the user know what's going on and keep them entertained. Now let us learn about shape tools. Shape tools allow you to draw different filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. The important feature of these tools is rotation. The shapes can be rotated at any angle on a 360 scale. Let us now learn how to draw different shapes using shape tools. We shall draw a triangle at different angles. Step 1. Select the shape tools from the toolbox. Step 2. Select triangle from the subtool box on the right hand side. One can select a blank triangle or color filled triangle. Step 3. Select color of your choice. Step 4. Take the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Step 5. Select a point on the drawing area which will act as the center of the triangle. Step 6. Now click and drag the mouse. Select the needed size and release the left mouse button. Step 7. Now you will see a spawn arrow which is used to spine the image at any angle from the center point. Next one, drip magic. Let us learn how it works. Step 1. Open a new file in TuxPan. Select a white background. Step 2. Select the text tool. Step 3. Choose style of text. Step 4. Click on drawing area. Step 5. Start typing the following text. Example, computer class 4th. Select 6. Select the magic tool. Step 7. Pick the drip magical effect from the sub tool box. Step 8. Drag the magic wand over the text to add dripping effect to it. Observe how the text change after drip effect. Okay, next one, eraser tools. The eraser tools is used to delete unwanted parts of picture. Step 1. Select the eraser tools from the toolbox. Step 2. Select a shape of eraser from the subtool box. Step 3. Bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Click the left mouse button and drag the eraser to the area which you want to erase. Okay. Next one, edge effect. It is a unique feature in Tux Paint. We can draw the edge of an image or even differentiate the edge from us an already drawn image. Let us learn how it works. Step 1. Click on open and select the images of your choice. Step 2. Select the magic tool. Step 3. Pick the edge magical effect from the sub toolbox. Step 4. Using your magic wand, click and drag it over the whole picture. You will find out the edge of the images start appearing. Next one, new tools. You can open a new file using the new tool from toolbox. To create a new file, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the new tool in the toolbox. Step 2. A new screen will appear with number of colorful rectangles. Step 3. Select any color and click on the open button. Let us select red one. The red rectangle means that the background of the new file will be red. Step 4. When you click on open, you will find a blank screen with a red drawing area. Step 5. You can draw your picture in the drawing area using different tools. Next one, foam effect. When we apply soap from washing our clothes or hand, it is result in foam. Similarly, the foam effect tools help you add foam effect to the required area in your drawing. Next one, grass effect. If you want to portray grass in your drawing, you follow the given step. We shall use the foam, flower and grass effect together. Step 1. Open a new file with white background. Step 2. Select magic tool and pick the grass magical effect. Step 3. Draw some grass at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Now pick flower magical effect from the sub toolbox and drag the mouse over the grass where you want to draw flower. Step 5. Now pick the foam magical effect and draw some foam on the grass at some place. You can draw more picture using different brush and magic effect. You can also draw grass and flower of different color. Now next one, real rainbow effect. Take the following step to use the real rainbow effect. This effect help you to draw a beautiful rainbow which you sometimes see in the sky after rain. Step 1. Open a new file with sky blue background. Step 2. Select magic tool from the toolbox and pick the real rainbow magical effect. Step 3. Select a point on the drawing area. From that point, click and drag the mouse to the other point. A rough sketch of the rainbow will be visible as you drag your mouse. Step 4. When you reach at the end point and release the left button of mouse, a real rainbow effect will appear on the screen. Thank you.